I'd seen the obstruction on the tracks from quite a way off, so I was already in the process of using the emergency brake. I didn't even see the victim had been hit already by that point. They were under the bridge. The second victim, they were further down the tracks helping one of their friends. See, the problem is the track, though. The third rail is always live at that section of the track. There was nothing I could do about it. And it all played out in front of me. I haven't gone back to work in a while. I felt so helpless. It's one of the things that you dread as a driver. You count on people staying switched on and respecting the railway.